To use the optimized charging on Motorola Moto G86, first we need to find this option. So open a settings on your smartphone, move to the battery, it should be available when you scroll down, then you can find the optimized charging. Here you can enable or disable this option, but before you do that, let me explain how it works. So first of all, if you're charging your phone, for example, overnight all the time, you have a regular charging pattern, then it's recommended to use this feature as it will help you make your battery life live longer. Let's say if you're charging your phone not regularly, for example, you're charging it at 15, 10%, then 16, another 10%, and etc., you shouldn't use this option. Another thing is if you're sure that you're charging your phone regularly, this feature uses AI to learn your charging patterns, then limits that charging to 80% about 1 hour before you are expected to unplug your phone, and then it will charge to 100%. You will see the battery icon in the status bar when it's active. So that is basically everything on how this feature works. So thanks so much for watching.